All right, guys, I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers getting sponsored by The Ridge or sending them a wallet and having them talk about it. I decided to skip all that and just go ahead and purchase it myself. I found it on Amazon for 85 bucks, just more of their basic one. You can find these wallets anywhere from like 80, 85 bucks all the way up to like over $200 depending on how you want it. I just got the basic black aluminum wallet. Welcome to The Ridge. So there's going to be no discount code. There's going to be no nothing when it's in this situation. It's just going to be me buying a new. I wanted something new and robust. I've been looking for it for a while. I've been telling my girlfriend for a while I wanted something like this. So I said, heck with it. Just pull the trigger on it and get it. Well, here it is. It's a nice little card inside it. Getting started. Instructions are complicated. And we don't do complicated. Just empty your wallet, keep what you need, and toss the rest. Push out cards using the cutout, fan them using your opposite hand. Keep your two most used cards at the front and the back of the wallet to maximize. Keep your two most used cards at the front and back of the wallet to maximize accessibility. Use the Torx screwdriver to make modifications to the wallet. Swap from money clip to trash strap. Guaranteed for life. We chose military grade materials for the durability and in turn created wallets that will last a lifetime, guaranteed. If you ever feel your wallet isn't functioning properly, loose screws or wearing elastic, visit us at ridge.com/warranty and we'll make it right. And here on the back, looks like they got phone cases, carry bags, some kind of charge pack looking deal, wallets, keychains, backpacks, power banks, minimal construction, maximum utility. If you use it every day, we've probably made it better, or we will soon. The Ridge, carry less, live more. Again, I purchased this with my own money. If you want me to share the link, I will. I'll give you a little sticker, carry less, live more. And here is the wallet. So I'm guessing that there's a band right there that stops it from pushing through. And then this is the open side here on this side. And I guess okay, so it's fairly simple. There's just a band at the top, a band at the bottom, a band on the side to keep everything in. Some kind of like money clip type deal on the back. I guess you can store cash underneath this, and then you force it out this way, and then you fan the assembly out with your other hand, so you can. I can't do it with the one hand like this, but anyway, you something like this. You find the card you need, and then you just basically push everything back in, and you go about your business. I'm gonna load it up real quick. So basically, you would load it up. You'd push it out like this, and then you could fan it more if you needed to. When you were done, you just take it, you push everything back in, and then you restack, and that is your wallet. I just took everything that I needed that was in this wallet, and I stuck it right in this thing here. And this, whenever you're ready, you really need two hands for it, but they want you to push it out, fan it, shove it back in. There's your wallet, just like that. And then they want you to use this back here as some kind of money clip. So you just put your money like this, and you have everything right here, ready to roll. Put it back, shove it back in your pocket. Done. Comes with a packet of additional screws for, I'm assuming, oh, it's the little Allen heads right there. It's pretty nifty. Feels good too. And then there's the nice nice looking little Allen driver. But that's the gist of it, guys. It's a review of the Ridge wallet. It's nice. I could sit here, get stressed out, and just play with this thing to de-stress. Anyway, pretty nice deal. Actually pretty impressed with it. Let's carry it for a week or two and come back and see how we feel. Put a lot in there too. Y'all be blessed.